what? I'm here to show you how to do the favorite dance of all, Tamia, soul line dance. People have been asking me to show that dance, so I got you. Hang on. I'm going to turn my back to you, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. If you follow those steps, you'll get this dance. All right, so here we go. Rock up on the right. 1 and 2. Rock up on your left. 3 and 4. You're going to take your right. You're going to cross it over your left. 1, 2. Bring it back for 3. Cross over 4. Step 5. Step back on 6. 7, 8. Out and cross on your right. 1 and 2. Out and cross on your left. 3 and 4. We're going to do an out and cross, and we're going to take it back to the left. Starting with count number 1 on your right. 1, back 2, 3, step 4, back 5, step 6, step 7, turn, step 8. Start the dance over on 1, stepping up on your right. You're right back in it. 1 and 2, up on the left. 3 and 4, cross that right over left. 1, 2, step 3, cross 4, out 5, back 6, step 7 and 8. Now you're going to out and cross on that right again. Rock 1 and 2, out and cross on your left. 3 and 4. We're going to move to the left again, starting with your right foot. 1, back 2, cross 3, step 4, back 5, 6, step on 7, turn, step on number 8, dance start over, rock up on your right. 1 and 2, rock 3 and 4, and the dance starts over from there. Hopefully you got it. I'm out. Have a good time with this dance. If you don't, rewind it, replay it, do it again. Do it till you have it. You're good. Let's get that dance down. Tamia, to Can't Get Enough. The line dance is actually named Come Dance With Me. That's the actual name of this line dance. But we're doing it to Tamia, Come Dance With Me.